In this video, how to take apart Lego. Hello everyone, my name is Sam. Welcome to Burger building your Lego knowledge. If you want Lego tips just like this, make sure to subscribe and click the bell so you can be notified of new Lego tips from the Burger YouTube channel. And today I'm going to talk about how to take apart Lego. There are two different ways to take apart Lego. The first way is to use your teeth or use your bare hands. This is the method that many people use, and they can, of course, take apart Legos. But the truth is that this is the wrong way to take apart Legos, in your bare hands or using your teeth. The right way to take apart Lego is to use brick separators. Brick separators, they were designed by Lego to help you actually easily take apart Lego, so you wouldn't have to use your teeth or bare hands. If you use your teeth to take apart Lego, it can be really bad for your dental health. Do not do that to take apart Lego. Instead, use a brick separator, which is made to take apart Lego. It's right to use a brick separator, but it's wrong to use your teeth or bare hands to take apart Lego. And I'll see you next time.